Okay, hey everyone, we're back with another unboxing video. Today it's only terrain. It's the Scales of Talaxis. You can see what's inside this box. I managed to get the last copy in the store. We have the Warcry starter box and a couple of warbands, but we don't have that much terrain, so I figure we'd expand. And yeah, let's tear this open and see what's inside. This is a pretty big box. Let's pull it out. Okay. Instructions on top.
Press on.
Yeah, they shouldn't be that difficult, I think. It's just...
Some press on.
Yeah. No, they're not. You have to glue these.
Oh.
Not all, some are almost done. So we have one plastic sprue. One, oh, that looks huge, actually. I didn't think it was that big. We have a lot more pieces here. A bridge. What else is in here? Oh yeah, another set. Oh, this is gonna take so much paint. That I didn't think about that. But I guess we'll go ahead and spray them. Oh, and there's a secret layer here. What's here? Oh, nice. More things. I think these are like terrain cards. But let's open this up to see what this is. See if I can do this quickly. And here I managed to get the plastic off. I can see we have nice markers. And I guess this is a big board. And this is quite the board, actually. Let's see what it looks like. This is a proper board, not like the one in the starter set. We got one side. And we got the other side. Yeah, we packed it all up again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.